All right, this is part number 8, the ocho, for what we're doing to create Moom windows for mooming and zooming windows around your screen. This one's going to be a pretty simple one. I'm just going to show you kind of behind the scenes for how this comes together. If you have multiple monitors, cool. What you do need for this one is you do need a prompter. An Elgato teleprompter is my favorite. That is up here. Okay, so this is the teleprompter version of mooming and zooming windows. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I keep Ecamm over here. I keep my camera hub here. This is where you put the prompts into camera hub, and then they show up here on the teleprompter. And then where I write my script, this is my Google Drive where I'm writing my scripts, and I do keep also ChatGPT open over here, but really you could just have those in the same window. You don't need to have multiple screens for this. You could literally just have, if you wanted to, just have ChatGPT and your stuff open right here. Okay, so don't worry about this monitor over here, not needed. You could open ChatGPT right in your Chrome window right there, okay? But I want Camera Hub open, I want Chrome open, I need Ecamm open, and then like I teach you, so I do teach you inside of Editless Video exactly how to use the Elgato prompter at the pro level. All the settings, where to place it, okay, how to resize everything, where to move the font so it never seems like you're reading, okay, where to put the camera and place it all in there. This is about how do you use Moom to put everything in just the right spot for you, okay? So this is what I want to show you about Moom. I'm just going to show you just my screen. So you see just the screen and how things are placed. So let me go here. And you should just be seeing this screen now. And this is Camera Hub. So to use the Elgato prompter, you do need Camera Hub open. And so I put Camera Hub kind of here, and then just right above me is the actual teleprompter that I'm looking into right now. But this right here is the software that runs it. Down here is I always write my scripts in Google Chrome. So I'm using Google Drive, Google Docs, and I'm writing all my scripts, and I just literally copy, right, and paste that into my script inside of Camera Hub. And when I click on play, it's ready to go. So I do teach you how to use the Elgato prompter inside of Editless Video, okay? And then over here, we've just got our Ecamm window where it's doing the recording, right? It's recording our video. So I'm gonna go behind the scenes again and just kind of show you behind the scenes of everything. So you should be seeing behind the scenes. It's really important. You've got Camera Hub set up, and Camera Hub needs to be in text mode, not display mode, but text mode. And that's where your script gets put into. And then I've got my script down here, and I'm good to go. So now when I look up here, because the main thing I want you to focus on is over here, okay? The teleprompter. So this is where I'm looking and I'm reading my script is in the teleprompter. Okay, very important that you have this set up properly. And then when you're ready to go, this is Camera Hub. I'm just going to go and I'll just show you up right. You can see this. I'm going to put Camera Hub in Let's Go mode, which would be this here. So I just click on play, and then I'll just go behind the scenes mode and watch the words move up here when I read along with the script. Do you want a simple, inexpensive app that can revolutionize the way you work on your Mac? Stick around, because in this video, and then it starts to scroll, okay? So fancy how it all works. I am just gonna get out of that mode, come back here, and let's go down to what we really wanna do in this video, which is use Moom, okay? So I'm gonna take you down. We're gonna set up Moom exactly how we want. I'm gonna keep everything kind of where it is. You can see this is my whole screen. Kind of right behind my Google Documents, I have Moom. So we're gonna just go right down here together, and we're gonna set up a new one in Moom. So for me, I have this one called T for Editless Video Teleprompter. Okay, so when I want to go in teleprompter mode, I just hit Command Option Control T, and it puts everything in just the right area. So if you're a member of Editless Video, below this video is just going to be all of the prompts will literally be available for you. All of these Moom profiles should be available for you inside of Editless Video. If you're just watching this on YouTube or somewhere else, let's create one from scratch so you know how we do that by now, because this is the 8th video in a series that we've been putting together. So we're just going to click on the plus icon. And then we're going to click on Layout. And then I'll make this one a test. I'm just going to bring up my test way up here. And so this is going to be test Teleprompter. And I need a short code. I don't know. I think I'll make this one Y. I don't know why. I just am. So great. I have it named. And now what I need to do is I need to go over and I need to create the short code here, my hotkey. So I'm going to say Command Option Control Y. And I just saved the hotkey. And then I need to click on Update Layout. And say I get a little notification that says, hey, are you sure? I say yes, replace layout. So now when I hit Command Option Control Y, it's going to put everything in the right mode. Let's just go ahead and give it a test. So here I am, Camera Hub. We'll just put Camera Hub way over here. We'll take, I don't know, we'll take Ecamm, put it down here. We'll put Chrome, make it look all strange and put it down here. I'll even put my second one from my other screen, my ChatGPT, down over here. All right, I've got kind of the traffic jam. Now what I'm going to do is on my keyboard, I'm just going to hit Command Option Control Y. Boom, everything right back where I want it. So whenever I want to teleprompt a video, I have a Moom configuration that I just hit. For me, the shortcode Command Option Control T puts everything right in this mode, and I am good to go to record. Our systems have systems around here, okay? We want efficiency. We want things to be fun, less stressful, and I don't want to waste time trying to figure out where everything goes when we can use a $15 piece of software like Moom from the company manytricks.com. They're just not a one-trick pony, they're a many tricks pony, and I hope that you have learned many tricks so far in terms of how to use Moom at a pro level for arranging everything on your screen so it just goes where you want it, when you want it. And Moom is such a great, great piece of software for exactly that. So your challenge is to go through the Elgato prompter training. I think I call it Prompter Like a Pro. And that's the training inside of Editless Video. Go through the training in Editless Video, editlessvideo.com, and go through the Prompter Like a Pro training. Because I really do want you to know how to use the teleprompter. Because for a lot of you, I know you're not getting your hooks right at the beginning of the video. And when you do a sales video or a webinar, some of those need to be teleprompted. Okay. Sometimes your welcome videos need to be teleprompted. It's just sometimes certain reels of yours need to be teleprompted. So the teleprompter is such a useful tool to have in your toolbox. So I really want you to go through the Prompter Like a Pro training in Editless Video. And then I want you to get your Moom settings all set up perfectly. So when you're ready to teleprompt a video, it's just boom, open everything up, short code, and it all just works, goes right to the right place. You're efficient, drop your script in, hit record, be done with it, okay? I want you to be fast, I want you to be efficient, and I want you to create better content more often. So that's your challenge, is to get Prompter Like a Pro set up and working, get your Moom configuration, no matter how many screens you have or don't have, arrange things. And then probably one of my favorite features about Moom is this, is rearranging things however you want it and clicking on Update Layout, okay? I do this all the time. I am continually like optimizing my setup, moving my windows around. And then whenever I move my windows around and I've got things how I like them, I just click on that update layout and it says, are you sure? And you either say, yeah, replace that layout, or cancel. Okay. So just know that this is a great way of moving and zooming and mooming your stuff around. You can always update your layout, or you can always create a new version and test something out and see if you like it. As you can see, I've got a whole bunch of things in here. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that thing I don't need. and we'll wrap up this video on how to use Moom. Moom 4, which I call New Moom, for setting it up so you can move and zoom your windows for your Elgato prompter, and everything is just super efficient. With that, I think that's the end of this video. I will see you in the next one.